Wouldn't it be awesome if you could make $30 a day as a teen? What's going on everybody? My name is Meghdut and in this video I am sharing 7 money making ideas for teens like me. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. So 8 months ago I became a teen and from then I am moving towards my 2022 goal of buying an iPad. But to buy something you need money, and the best way to make money in 2022 is online on the internet. So there are two types of money you can make on the internet. The first type of money is the money that is tied to your time, and the second type of money is the money that is not directly tied to your time. As teenagers, we probably do not have much money to spend until and unless your parents are very rich or you are a crypto millionaire. So we have to give our time to make money. And the two ways to give our time and make money are number one, freelancing, and number two is becoming a reviewer. In order to do freelancing, you need to have a skill. This skill can be anything like graphic design, video editing, web development, web design, literally anything. You can learn those skills in platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, Udacity, Coursera, anything. And then you can monetize those skills by selling your services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and what are there, People Per Hour, and many. It takes time to get your first order as a freelancer, but as you get your first order, there is no looking back. Here's a quick tip if you are doing freelancing. Do not start with Fiverr at first. Instead, start with Upwork because Upwork has the bidding system in it which can help new freelancers get their first order fast. Wouldn't it be fantastic if you were paid to just review somebody's website? Well, you can really get paid for reviewing somebody's website, video or app on a platform like Test My UI. In this sort of website, you will be given a website, video or app by your client. And you, as a user, would test that website, video or app and record your voice as you are testing it. You will tell about the pros and cons of the video, website or app you are testing, what they should keep and what they should remove. But if you are using Test My UI, then you need to have a PayPal account, so you can use your parents' account. Although you probably do not have much money to buy time, but there are 3 ways to earn money which are not directly linked to your time. If you are a student who loves to take and make beautiful notes, then you can sell your notes online on a platform like Stuvia or Amazon. 2 years ago, I started investing in stocks and shares through my parents' account. I bought 2 stocks in the NSE, which is the National Stock Exchange for India. I bought stocks of Tata Chemicals and Wipro. Both of them have made me a total profit of around about $15. This is kind of amazing because I did not have to spend any time after I bought the stocks once. Although it's considered better to invest in index funds like the Nifty 50 and the S&P 500, as teenagers we probably do not have much money to invest in index funds. But if you have that amount of money, then you should definitely consider investing in index funds rather than in individual stocks. Now, some of you may be thinking that I did a lot of research and looked at many annual papers of those 2 companies. But the reason I bought those 2 stocks were pretty simple. The reason I bought Tata Chemicals was that I thought that to make a vaccine you need a lot of chemicals. And I invested in Wipro because I really wanted to invest in tech companies, but the other 2 big tech companies of India, TCS and Infosys, were much higher cost than Wipro. And I made a profit because my prediction about that vaccine thing came true and Wipro was getting a lot of new clients. But don't get scared to lose money because you probably do not have much money to lose. And I personally think that there is no harm in testing your luck. Creating a YouTube channel can be one of the best decisions you make in your entire life. It can not only earn you money, but you can also learn many skills like videography, video editing, photo editing, storytelling and much more. Although I haven't been able to monetize my YouTube channel yet, it is one of the things that gives me the most joy to constantly work on. Every day I cannot wait to complete my studying and work on my YouTube channel. And if your channel blows up, then there is no looking back. And if for some reason you do not want to make money online, then there are 2 ways in which you can make money offline. request to your parents that if you score an A grade in your exam, they will pay you money. This is a pretty good way of making money, as this will motivate you to study harder for your exams. And if you want to get an A grade in your exams, then check this video right here. The second way is to tutor kids below your age. So if you are 14 years or above, then you can start private tutoring or join a coaching center as a tutor. To do this, you just have to be good at a particular subject. Say you are good at physics, then you can teach physics to the kids who are below your age. This will not only earn you money, but you will also have a good grasp of the concepts that you are teaching, as you have to understand the topic very well if you want to teach it to a kid below your age who does not know anything about that topic. Before you leave this video, I wanted to give you two pieces of advice. Number one, do not try to make money through all these sources, instead only choose one or two. Number two is to choose an item which you want to buy and set it as your ultimate goal for which you are making money.